Hi, hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to learn new lesson, chapter number 3, class 7, details on Windows 10. Let us have a look. Let us see what are the topics are going to be discussed in this lesson. Features of Windows 10, Windows 10 settings, power saving options of your computer, disk cleanup, pin a program or items to the Windows 10 taskbar. Let us start with the features of the Windows 10. First one is startup menu, second one is Microsoft Edge, Cortana, multiple desktops and task view, action center, tablet mode. Let us have a look. Start menu. Whereas Windows 8 uses the start screen to launch applications, Windows 10 has reintroduced a more traditional start menu. It is also been expanded to make it easier to find important apps means applications. You can see now it is very easier to find any application in the computer. The below picture indicates the start menu. Microsoft Edge. This the new browser is designed to give Windows users a better experience on web. It's faster, more secure and includes a lot of new features. Microsoft Edge is a mean to replace the Internet Explorer as your default web browser, but you still able to use Internet Explorer or any other browser if you are preferred. That means now Windows 10 is also introducing Microsoft Edge. This is also a browser like Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox. In this Microsoft Edge we can surf very faster, it is more secure, it is having lot of features also. So this is the one more feature providing by Windows 10. Cortana. Similar to Siri and Google now. That means it is a called like Google Assistant. Now you can also talk to the virtual assistant with your computer's microphone. Using your microphone you can talk to with your computers. Cortana can answer simple questions like what's the weather like today? Perform simple tasks like remind you to take out the trash and much more. This is also good option, good feature by the Windows 10. Multiple desktops and task view. Instead of keeping everything open on the same desktop, you can move some of your windows to a virtual desktop to get them out of way. And the new task view feature make it easy to manage all of your open windows. That means you can easily find how many windows are open at a time, and you can create multiple desktops, one for children, one for your professional use, one for your personal use also you can create. Let us see how to create in coming classes, how to create a multiple desktops and task view also. This is also a good feature by Windows 10. Next one is Action Center. The new Action Center is preferably different from previous versions of Windows. For example, it has been expanded to let you access frequently used settings such as Wi-Fi connectivity and tablet mode. It also where you see important notifications. If your computer receives an update, you will get a notification about it here. That means it is Action Center means like notification center, like your antivirus is out of date, you got some mails, you got some important update from any Microsoft, you can find out here in Action Center. Last one is tablet mode. This feature is also amazing feature in the Windows 10. Unlike Windows 8 and Windows 10 makes a clear distinction between desktops and tablets. If you are using a keyboard and mouse with Windows 10, you will be in desktop by default. If your computer also has been touch screen, you can go into tablet mode of any time. Tablet users can also switch back to desktop mode if they prefer. That means if your laptop is a touch screen laptop, then you can turn your laptop into a tablet by using the tablet mode through this feature. Okay students, that's all for today's class. Hope you like it. Meet you in next time. Till then, take care, stay safe.